Learn the professional method for installing floor ceramic tiles with easy and simple steps. In this video, you'll see how to prepare the surface, apply adhesive, and perfectly align the tiles for a flawless finish. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll discover key secrets for a strong and stylish floor. Watch until the end for essential tips and tricks to ensure top-quality work. Don't forget to support us with a like and subscribe for more professional content. Discover the ultimate method for installing floor tiles like a pro. In this detailed step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to prepare the surface, apply adhesive correctly, and position tiles with precision to achieve a flawless and long-lasting result. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced craftsman, this video will show you expert techniques to enhance your skills and work more efficiently. Watch until the end to learn the ultimate professional method for installing ceramic tiles on a rooftop with the most detailed step-by-step guide from start to finish. Proper rooftop tiling requires precision, patience, and the right techniques to ensure long-lasting durability and a flawless finish. In this comprehensive video, we will take you through every crucial step, covering everything from surface preparation to the final finishing touches. You will learn how to properly clean and level the surface to create a strong foundation, how to mix and apply the adhesive for maximum grip, and how to position and adjust each tile perfectly for a smooth, professional result. One of the biggest challenges in rooftop tile installation is ensuring stability against extreme weather conditions, such as intense heat, heavy rain, and sudden temperature changes. That's why we will reveal expert secrets and advanced techniques to prevent common issues like tile shifting, cracks, weak adhesion, and long-term deterioration. You'll discover how to handle tricky areas, apply expansion joints correctly, and use professional tools to enhance durability and structural integrity. We'll also demonstrate the best ways to cut tiles with precision, ensuring a seamless and aesthetically pleasing finish that not only looks stunning, but also stands the test of time. This is more than just a basic tutorial. It's a complete, in-depth masterclass designed for both beginners and experienced professionals who want to improve their skills and achieve high-quality results with minimal effort. Whether you're tiling a home rooftop, a terrace, a balcony, or any outdoor space, this guide will give you the confidence to master the process and avoid costly mistakes. You'll gain the knowledge needed to ensure every tile is installed securely, reducing maintenance issues and maximizing longevity. If you are serious about learning the best methods for rooftop tiling and want to achieve professional-level results, this video is for you. Watch until the end to absorb every important detail, every expert tip, and every hidden trick that can make all the difference in the final outcome. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to support us by hitting the like button, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest professional tiling tutorials. Your engagement helps us continue creating high-quality, valuable content that guides you through every step of the tiling process. Stay tuned for more expert insights, practical demonstrations, and game-changing techniques that will elevate your skills and take your tiling projects to the next level.